I've always heard that whole life is bad or expensive. I've just heard that these guys are selling it because of really big commissions. I've heard that you should just buy term because you won't need life insurance when you retire. And so just buy term because it's cheaper and invest the difference. And insurance should be insurance and investments should be investments. Chances are that's what you've heard. And what I know that most people do when they're researching, they call this research, but this is not research. They do something I call polling opinions, where they basically say, I'm kind of curious about this thing, so I'm going to ask around. But who are they asking? Are they asking experts in this field? Are they asking people that have special knowledge? No, they're asking people that have been in the same echo chamber as you have, that all those things I just mentioned, people have been parroting, just like parrots, for the last several decades, and without really grounding any of those opinions with facts.